Assalamualaikum viewers. In this video we will learn how to use web camera using PyCharm IDE. For that we will use OpenCV library. If you have not installed OpenCV library in your PyCharm, then find my video link in the description to install OpenCV library first. Now moving forward, type import cv2. In next line we will declare a variable which will store data for web streaming. I am giving the variable name like webcam. You can also write the name of your own choice. After that, write cv2 library to read video or for web streaming. Here 0 means web streaming. If you want to read any other video from your files, then paste the link of that video in these brackets. After that, in next line we will infinite loop for continuous video streaming. Okay, here we will write return mean return. It will return the frame back during web streaming, and web camera streaming will not be distracted. Again we will define a frame variable which name frame here, in which we will store the video. We will read the video streaming. Here the name of the variable that we have declared in the above line, webcam dot read. After that, write here cv2 dot imshow. This is for to show the video on the screen. In parentheses write name like I am giving it. This will be displayed over the screen. Here write frame that we have declared in the above line. Now in next line we will write statement to shut down the streaming. Dot wait key in parentheses write 0 and x ff is equal to ord in parentheses. Write here any variable that you want. When will you press this variable, the web streaming will automatically shut down. Like I am giving it, writing here Z. This is case sensitive. If you write capital Z, then you have to press capital Z to shut down. Now we will add a break to terminate the loop. In this line we will write statement dot release This is for to release the storage copied during web camera. In next line we will write cv2 dot destroy all windows. This will destroy all the windows that were created during the live streaming. Now we will check the code before running it. Here write cv2 dot wait key in parentheses write 1 for web streaming. If you enter 0, then no streaming will occur, only picture show. Now you can see that the live streaming web streaming is going on. How to shut down it? As I have declared alphabet Z, so I press it to shut down. If you like the video, then subscribe to channel and share with friends.